Welcome all to my channel. In this class, we see about the ellipse drawing through the concentric circle method. Now, you see the problem given in the drawing sheet. That is, draw an ellipse when the major axis given as 140 mm with the minor axis as 100 mm. Construction of ellipse may be done using concentric circle method. Draw also tangent and normal to the ellipse. This is the problem. For this type, first refer the final constructed ellipse drawing shown here for reference. Here, with the given axis dimensions, two supporting circles are drawn. One is smaller diameter, another one is bigger in diameter. Are drawn through the axis edge points, taking half of the diameter in compass, that is radius. In this drawing, referring the steps given as per step 1. First draw the major axis AB as shown, which is given as 140 millimeter in the problem. Then, as per step 2, draw the minor axis CD with 100 millimeter as given. This should be perpendicular to AB, and also see that both lines midpoint meet at O as shown. Next, draw a circle with O as center and OA or OB as radius. Also, draw another circle O as center, OC or OD as radius. Now, two circles have been drawn based upon the given diameters. Next, as per step 5, first divide the circle at the center point into 12 equal angle parts as shown. For this, the mini drafter scales may be used at 30, 60, 90 degrees to draw the lines and also to minimize time of drawing. However, 360 divided by 12 equal to 30 degree. That is, each part of the circle at the center would be having 30 degree, so that we can divide into 12 equal parts. Next, as per step number 6, mark the joining lines. That is, mark the outer circle joining lines as 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 12 as shown, because these divisions have already been drawn using the mini drafter. This line cutting or joining lines with the outer circle is available. Likewise, then mark the inner circle corresponding joining lines as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, etc. up to 12 dash in the same order as shown. Next step is 7. As per this, draw vertical and horizontal lines. That is, as per step number 7, the aim is to get the ellipse path. For this, first draw vertical lines to outer circle joining points, outer circle joining points towards inner side of the circle. The vertical lines should be drawn from the joining points towards inner side of the circle as shown at 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 12. Similarly, draw horizontal lines to inner circle joining points, that is towards the outer of the inner circle. In this, we are drawn towards inside of the outer circle. Here, outside of the inner circle, we have to draw horizontally. Name it as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. It is already joining points we know. Similarly, now the new joining points from vertical and horizontal lines may be named as N1, N2, N3, etc. up to N12. These two lines meet at these points. And also, please see this. This is making perpendicular in the joining place at each N1, N2, etc. making perpendicular in the respected points. Now, we have to join all these points N1 to N12. We have to join all these points either using set square, French curve or by freehand, so that we can get the ellipse as shown. As already I told, the smoothness and the neatness of the drawing ellipse is very, very important to get good appearance. Next, we have to do the work of tangent and normal to the ellipse. For this, first we have to find out the focus F1 and F2 as given in the step number 9. First, the focus point or foci. Foci is nothing but plural of focus, are to be decided and marked. For this, the theory with these two axes referring to the figure is major axis divided by 2 distance divided by 2, that is the radius of the major axis, equal to CF1 equal to CF2. That is the theory. F1 and F2 are foci as shown. For this, take the value of 140, that is the major axis diameter, divided by 2 equal to 70 millimeter. 140 millimeter is the given data. Now, this 70 millimeter as the distance taken in the compass and mark on the major axis as arc from point C to F1, C to F2, thus getting 2 points F1 and F2. C is the center. Getting these 2 points F1 and F2, as per step 10, we have to proceed into the tangent normal drawing. For this, select any point P on the ellipse and join this P with that of F1 and F2 as shown. Here, this is not 90 degree, this is making an angle. Now, this angle F1, P, F2 is to be bisected as shown and draw the line which is normal line, that is S1 or perpendicular line through the point P to the ellipse. Here, if bisecting method procedure is required, please refer to the EG class 3 that I have already given, where arc bisecting procedure is explained. Similar method is used for this angle bisection also. or otherwise protractor may also be used to get the bisecting angle, but ensure no mistake is done to bisect the angle. We have already done S1. Now draw a perpendicular line to this S1 line at point P. Mark it as R dash. Next, last one, have a importance to the pencil grade for good appearance. So with respect to dark and thick, for ellipse, tangent, normal, the HB pencil may be used including the letters, whereas medium thick is requirement like axis line, circle line, etc. Slightly with the darkness. For thin and light color, for all supporting lines or guidelines, only 2H pencil is to be used, which should give only light impression. This is the procedure for the pencil grade. So with this, class is over. Thank you. And the further drawings will be seen in the forthcoming videos. Thank you once again.